This is a video tutorial on how to submit assignments electronically in English 101. To access your materials, you will always go to Content. There you will see the various units in the course, each one having, of course, various topics that you will be working through, either through your classroom instruction or if this is an online course, through your own independent work. When it's time to submit your work, you want to look at the type of assignment you are being asked to submit, and that is clearly marked within D2L. Some of the submissions are clearly marked as assignments, while others, here's another one that's an assignment, here's another one that is an assignment, while others, if we go to Unit 2, are a discussion topic. So there are two different kinds of submissions. One is in the assignment folder, and the other is as a discussion topic. Let's start with the assignment type of folder. You'll click on the name for that particular assignment. You'll have instructions about what you're to submit, and you will see an area that says Drop File Here, or you can click the Upload button. So what you'll want to do is look for your document and either grab it, drag it, and release it in the box where you will see that it's been uploaded, and then click Submit, or alternatively, simply click the Upload button, look for your file, and click Open, and again, your document will be uploaded. Be sure to click Submit to actually submit your assignment for grading. So you'll use that process for all of the assignments that are listed as assignments. If your assignment is to submit within let's go back here to Unit 2, to submit within a discussion topic, again, it will clearly say that you're to submit something in that discussion topic. So again, you'll click on the title, and you'll be given some instructions about what you are to submit. In all cases, though, you'll need to click on Start a New Thread in order to submit your assignment in the discussion topic. So you'll click Start a New Thread. You'll be given instructions on what to type in the subject text box and what you should be submitting. You'll probably need to type something in the main text box. So here is my presentation. And then to submit the particular item, which could be a PowerPoint presentation or a visual made in the cloud, such as Prezi or Google Slides, or possibly a YouTube video, then you would need to follow one of these methods. If it is a file, such as a PowerPoint presentation, then you would click Add Attachments, and again, you would either drag and drop your presentation or click the Upload, find your presentation, click Open, in which case it would be loaded, and then Post. If you have a cloud-based presentation or YouTube video, then you cannot use the attachments feature. In the text box, you'll need to actually type the link or copy the link of your presentation. So if I have in this case, this is a Prezi, I'm going to copy and paste the link for the Prezi. You do want to make sure that it is as a link, and you can always double check by highlighting it, going to the Insert Quick Link, and seeing that you do have the URL for that cloud-based presentation or video, and then you can insert that quick link. So once you have the link there, then you can post. Let me go ahead and put that PowerPoint back in here as well so that I can demonstrate what happens when you post. So now you can see that I have posted in this discussion thread, and if I go into my post, I can either click on the link for my cloud-based file, or if I had a file on my computer, such as a PowerPoint, I have that link here. In most cases, you'll be posting one or the other, but you know now how to attach either of those kinds of files. Hopefully this will be helpful as you are submitting your assignments in English 101.